Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making peppered Ponmo. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients for this recipe. Ponmo, also known as Kanda or cow skin, diced onion, water, vegetable oil, 3 Maggi cubes, garlic powder, ginger powder, spinach leaves, curry powder, salt, 1 onion, 2 red bell peppers, 3 habanero peppers and 1 tomato. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I will pour my well cleaned Ponmo inside the pot. I will add the diced onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 Maggi cube, then add water. Then stir it round. I will cover with lid and leave it to boil for 20 minutes on a high heat. Now we put the tomato, peppers, onion inside the blender. Then add water. Cover with lid, then blend it. It's up to 20 minutes now. I will drain the water and set aside to cool down completely. I will cut the Ponmo into smaller pieces. I will pour the oil inside the fry pan. When the oil is hot, I will add my onion. Then stir it round. I will fry the onion until it becomes translucent. I will pour in my blended tomato mixture. Then rinse the blender with some water, then pour it inside. I will add 2 Maggi cubes, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, then stir it round. Cover with lid and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. It's up to 10 minutes now. I'll stir it round. Now we add my Ponmo. Then stir it round. Cover with lid and leave it to simmer for 5 minutes on a low heat. It's up to 5 minutes now. I will add my spinach leaves. Then stir it round. I will leave it to simmer for 2 minutes on a low heat. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my peppered Ponmo. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.